On to the second meal, which is a pesto pasta with chicken, and the pasta we are going to use is penne pasta. Yeah. So I'll start with boiling the pasta. So I have hot water in here. So I boil the pasta. You cement the amount with your eyes. So I'll just use half of them. Usually you put a bit of oil in my pasta. You can put some olive oil and some salt so it's not too plain. So I'll let that simmer as I make the chicken. Next I'm going to take the pan and cook the chicken. Some oil, you can use olive oil, canola oil like I said. Here we have our chicken. I already put some salt and black pepper and I mixed it up. So I'm saute the chicken, and then once that is boiled, I'll mix the chicken and the pasta with the pesto sauce and some tomatoes and grate some cheese on top of it. That's the meal. The oil is hot. Some chicken on it. Use as much chicken as you would like. You can add some spices. You can add some chicken masala. I'll put some peri peri. You can clearly see we like some flavor in our food and some tanginess. Okay guys, so my chicken is ready, as you can see, browned with color and flavor. As I was saying earlier, the flavor comes from the chicken because the pasta is already bland, and also comes from the pesto. So my chicken is done, crunchy and with flavor. You can see it's not so white. So I place the side of the pan. Don't worry if it gets stuck on the pan like this, it's no big deal because it had a bit of water. Good. So that's done. Our pasta is also done. The thing with the penne pasta and the recipe is that don't make it too soggy. Like I'll just give it another 2 minutes and then it's out. So the pasta is ready, done, so I'm going to drain it. So that's my pasta ready and drained. Let it cool off for a bit. I put my pan back. So now I'm just assembling the pasta and the chicken. So a bit of chicken. I won't add oil because I feel like the chicken really has enough oil. And then I put in the pasta sauce, just a bit, because I'll put the final one once I put the pasta inside. Just pasta sauce to coat the chicken. So not the pasta sauce, the pesto sauce, guys. So quick and easy. If you're a vegetarian, you don't have to use chicken. If you like the vegetarian version like myself, I'll just use the pasta and the pesto sauce. So once that's okay and my pasta has cooled a bit, I put my pasta inside. And you're basically ready. So I just mix it up a bit. Me and my roughness, all the pasta will be everywhere. So now the pesto sauce, which I blended earlier, like I said, you can buy or make your own. So yeah, it looks really nice. I don't know if you can see. That's how it looks like. I don't like my pesto to be too dark. So that's it, it's ready. Food is ready to go. So I'll just have a taste and see if I need to adjust anything. 1 minute. I'll add some salt and some pepper. But it's pretty good. And pepper. So this is like the pasta pesto for at cafe. Shawn'S favorite. Sorry, I'll reduce the heat a bit. Give it a final taste. It's a different fork, guys, before YouTube starts judging me. Nice. Okay, and the food is ready, guys. So the pasta pesto. I don't like mine so green. And then I'll just put some cherry tomatoes on top. If you want some, if you don't want, it's also okay. And you're ready to eat. With a glass of wine. White wine. So my favorite shouldn't be that sweet, okay. So my pasta. And my wine. Cheers, guys. Second meal. Third meal now, and the third meal is going to be pan-fried steak, some veggies and sweet corn. It's very quick, very easy. I'll start by having my sweet corn on this side of the stove, so I'll just put it on because it takes a while. So you start with some water, just plain water. It's a bit warm. You take your sweet corn. You can easily find a zucchini. It's usually like maybe 100 or 150. I usually cut them into half so they get ready faster. Don't take much time. Put them in there. So I usually put a bit of salt. When it's nearly ready, I'll put some butter, but for now a bit of salt so that it's not tasteless. And then I just let that simmer. And then I'll go to my steak. My steak is here. It's a sirloin steak with a bit of fat for flavor on the side. So I have 6 pieces. So what I'll do is I put my pan on to get hot. So I'll take my steaks and then I'll put some black pepper, 2 at a time, some black pepper and salt. That's all I'm using to garnish. Some salt. I don't have gloves, so I'll just rub them in with my hands. There's some people who don't like the texture of meat. You can use gloves, I don't mind it. So I'll let the pan get hot. And then I'll be cooking the beef with some garlic butter. So I just beat up some garlic and then the butter, normal butter. So I'll just put this in the pan. The pan is already hot. You can smell the garlic. So I'll put some garlic butter in the pan. And then I'll take my steak and place it on the pan. So each side, I'll give it like 3 minutes each side, so it's medium to well. I don't like it well done. Just put some garlic butter on top. So give it time to cook. My corn is getting ready. Yeah, so that's it. I don't like mine well done. So just 3 minutes on each side is good enough. It's done, 3 minutes on each side. So I get a plate. I place them on the plate. I leave it to rest. So I'm going to cut the meat and check if it's ready. It's ready for me. It's medium to well. It still has the juices. If you want yours well done, keep cooking for longer. So I'll continue cooking the other steaks. For now, I'll take another pan and do the veggies. My corn is still simmering. For the veggies, I'll just have a bit of oil, some white onion. So I'm frying up the onions and then I'll put the veggies inside to steam a bit and then we'll be ready. My onions are ready, so I'll throw in the carrots and the French beans. So I'll saute them Just add some pepper and salt. If you like butter, blue band, whatever you fancy, you can also put inside. So you give it 5 to 10 minutes and they'll be ready. Yeah, okay, so I just cover them to simmer a bit. Let's check if this is ready. Another 5 minutes. So my sweet corn is ready. I'm going to pour the water. I'll leave it in the pan a bit because I want to add some butter just to give it a bit of flavor. Add as much as you like. So just some butter on the sweet corn to give a bit of flavor, and then some salt, and that's it. And my sweet corn is ready, soaked in the butter and the salt. Ensure your butter is a salted butter. If it's unsalted, add a bit more salt. So my sweet corn is ready. I'm still sauteing then. I'm seeing it's ready because I don't want the green beans to turn green. So that's my sweet corn. So hey guys, my food is ready. So I'm just going to assemble it. It is fast and easy. I feel like my green beans have cooked a bit, but it's fine. So it's the steak, green beans, some sweet corn, and some cherry tomatoes on the side. So I'll cut my meat. So I'm just slicing my meat. You can see it's soft with a bit of fat. Now I place it on the plate. Okay, sorry guys. Just looking for the aesthetics. And then some vegetable, some corn, and some cherry tomatoes on the side. And that's your portion. Okay, if you eat a lot, please feel free. We just have an example of how I eat. So that's it. And dinner is served. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please try the recipes at home. Everything is readily available. Until next time guys, bye.